Hi everybody, welcome to Mike's Garage. First I want to thank you for subscribing. I could use more subscribers, so don't forget to do that at the end of the video. And I want to thank the people who got in touch with me. I got some nice comments, and a few even called me at the office with your questions. I appreciate that. Listen, I want to go over the Defender air cleaner with some of the questions I got about how effective are they and what kind of filters should I be using. Let's go to the workbench. Okay, here we are at the workbench. This is the brand new Defender. It has an up speed and down speed button on and off, and it has a red light when it's time to change the filter. It has a vent in the front and the back that blows to the left and right to circulate the air through the intake at the bottom. In the office, I have this particle sensor. It runs around 50 to 70, and if you can see on the back here, we have a chart. Anything below 100, the air is good, and we try to keep it running all the time. The room's 40 by 40, and we have one Defender doing the room, and there's a lot of activity with people moving around and walking around. Does an excellent job, and this is the reason why. It has a standard filter. This filters out 99.99% of all the impurities, and it is a standard filter, and it works in conjunction with a wraparound that goes on top of it before you put it into the cage there behind the mesh. This is the wraparound. It has a Velcro on each side. You wrap it around and Velcro it in place, and it's really difficult to do this with one hand. I'm sorry for the video here, but you put that around and it sanitizes and deodorizes. This is the smoke cartridge for people that smoke or have heavy pet odors or just other odors they want to get out of the room. This is infused with activated charcoal. Here's the standard one. You can see how nice and white that is, and this one actually is a little darker with activated charcoal just infused into the material of the filter. You use that in conjunction with the wrap, and it does an excellent job filtering out all the odors you can come up with there. And we also have them in a package. You can get the cartridge and 2 of the wraps. You change those every 6 months. The cartridge is usually good for a year. Okay, I hope that was helpful. I'll try to answer your questions. Give me some comments and call me. Here's the 800 number, is right here somewhere. I'll be happy to talk to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hey everybody, almost forgot. Hit that subscribe button. We need more subscribers, and ring the bell so you get notified next time we put a video up. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage. We'll see you next time. Be safe.